What up, guys? Yeah, today like I'm gonna do like a little bit short. I think it's 5 minutes in. Yeah, 5 minutes kind of video, Yeah, a little bit short. Like, share, subscribe. I just saw this one say electric shocks will never be merciful on animals. So it's I know I got a effed up mind. Somehow I'm gonna. Oh my god. Well, let's just react, man. Let's just see. Let's just feel. Let's feel sorry. Oh, why doing this? Oh, come on. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna try like to feel like let's just see this, man. Like electric shock will not be merciful on animals. Man, that's a shame. Come on. These are animals, man. These are animals, dog. Come on, man. Jeez, man. Come on, man. These are animals, man. They are suffering. This is a man-made kind of thing. We are killing animals right now, and I'm laughing. God, come on, man. Come on, man.
Animals suffer from a variety of difficulties in nature on a daily basis, including electrical lines, since they are unaware of their danger. If you pay close attention to this video, you'll see that the bird didn't appear to be falling, even when the speed is slowed down to 0.25.
What the?
It just vanished like a bubble. Getting too near these dangerous areas will result in a catastrophic consequence. Many people gathered to try to free the chimpanzee from the power pole, but instead, he was severely shocked by electricity. At least they were able to prevent the second shock falling from the top by intervening. The monkey was shocked to death in a matter of seconds, and it was a heartbreaking moment when he became frozen on the.
Yo, it's crazy how like we get shocked and like stuck like this. Yo, it like does it like when like it shock us, like does it like contract like our muscles so like could we stay and like that?
Wires and was unable to move. He struggled for a while, but ultimately passed away. This snake got stuck in the same trap, yet this time, the shock seemed almost deadly. The snake started moving around the power pole, and after a short time, it got electrified and fell. A high-pressure electricity pole ends the life of any living creature in seconds, as does this bear, whose curiosity.
Bear. Oh yeah, bear can climb trees. But a pole, wow,
led him to certain death. Electricity shows no mercy. This kangaroo is completely burned out after a strong electric shock. This poor cat is in peril, but it doesn't appear that he is aware of it. One bad decision will result in his death, which is regrettably what happened. Unfortunately, animals' curiosity is what brings them into such tragic circumstances where they might die. In reality, safety must be guaranteed for both humans and animals by taking careful safeguards in relation to electrical cables. What do you believe, dear viewers, is the wisest course of action in this situation?
Oh man. Oh man. This is terrible, though. This is terrible, man. Oh man, I hope God forgive me when I left. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I laughed, man. I'm so sorry. So I'm like, I couldn't hold it. It's like, got a tough mind, man. I gotta clean my mind, though. I gotta clean my mind, though. I gotta clean my mind, man. There's not a right thing. Like, wait, what was a kid doing on a pole that high? Dang. But yeah, man, this one was a sad one. Yeah, wow. Can't believe, wow, man, this wow, this rough, man. Hey, people gotta do something about this, man. And like when you think about it, like most of the times, like maybe like most people, maybe I don't think in the zoos they are like they keep animals with like electric fence in it, but like wow. And like just imagine people like who keep like animals, then like they put electric fence on it, and like those animals go close to that fence and they get shot. That's sad, man. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, and sorry for laughing. And if you laughed, man, come on, man. We can do better. We can do better. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.